I've worked in the industry for the last 32 years. Kealshore was set up by me and my father. We're a leading recycler in the northwest in Liverpool, and we specialise in recycling products coming on and off-site.
Worked in the industry around 20 years, specialising in aggregate washing, crushing, screening, sand soils.
What comes in here, 85% of it is recyclable, 10mm, 20mm sand, pipe bedding, MOT, it all comes from a waste product. Kealshore recycle it via the wash plant and it goes back out through the door.
The old plant was good for us when we first started. We quickly outgrew it. It ran its life. The last couple of years we had problems. We just couldn't keep up with our customers' needs, and it was getting too expensive to maintain it and to keep it going.
Things move along, wash plants evolve. Tyrone come up with a solution.
Kealshore approached us that they were having some issues with their existing washing plant, so we basically come to site and carried out a site survey with them to understand their existing problems and then discuss the solutions that we could offer them. The main challenge with this project is that we're processing recycled aggregate. So the solution that we provide has to be able to deal with such a variable material and produce a consistently clean product. This new wash plant that we've supplied to Kealshore is what we would regard as the next generation wash plants. There's been considerable time and effort put into the design of the equipment to make it extremely accessible, very easy for the operator to work on, very easy to service, very easy to maintain.
We can get more tonnage through this new plant, probably nearly twice as much as the last plant, which is very good.
Our new wash plant now does do an extra product. It does an extra 40mm, so we now do a 10mm pipe bedding, 20mm pipe bedding and a 40mm pipe bedding, which is a real feather in Kealshore's cap.
Maintenance-wise, so much easier on this plant. The access is unbelievable for getting in and changing wear parts. The main thing for us is the log washer. The old plant was a nightmare, with it just being a single screw coarse washer. When stuff got wrapped round the shaft in it, you had to unbolt everything off the top, which in itself took an hour or two just to get in there. This new machine from Tyrone, it's got panels that with locks on, you just lift them up and you're there right away.
The polymer decks on it are all plastic. The old ones were steel. We were spending an awful lot of money on steel screens. This is one of the reasons why we looked at a new plant. When you start doing the costings of the old plant, the new plants now are so much more efficient.
Tyrone International sets us up with a multi-track belt weigher. Full analysis every day of what this machine is capable of. The plant is working brilliant so far. I'd recommend Tyrone International to everybody.
They've always been really good with us. Even though we didn't have a wash plant with them, they've always helped us in the past. We expect the full backup from Tyrone, just as they've helped us before when they didn't have to.